Max, Christine. What is the plan? What are we doing?
Trying to shoo away the poachers by going on patrol and looking at animals.
How will you do that? Scaring away the poachers.
Well, at night I heard we have a lot of light, so I think they don't want to be busted because it's quite high.
Yeah, but I think they will be also afraid of Max. You look can be very scary if you want, right, Max?
Yes.
Hi, Johannes.
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
Good. I want to ask you. You are a rhino ranger, is that correct?
Of course, yes.
Johannes, how many white rhinos do live here in the reserve?
So we are having more than 15 in the reserve.
Wow. And how many babies?
Baby, it's cool now because the babies they are growing now. Sometimes you can see this the baby ones. Yeah, just that size.
That size, well?
Yeah. So now it's going maybe 4.
Wow. What do you see? What do you see?
Have you ever seen the black one? The black rhino?
No.
So the difference between the black rhino and this white one, the black one and the black rhino, it's a browser. So if you check on the ribs, especially for this one, for the white one, it's white open for grazing. So because this one is just a grazer, just eating grass, and the black one is having a point one, just for for picking up their leaves because it's a browser as well. And one thing as well for the white rhinos, so when they are moving or when they are running, always the cow for the white rhinos always in front of the mothers, and the black ones used to be at the back. Hand sanitizer. We just put the soap here. We wash our hands inside here.
Johannes, what will we be doing now?
So for now we are going to prepare the bread
Okay.
for the dinner.
Uh-huh.
We've got also some beans there inside.
Uh-huh.
And apart from that, we have sausage.
Wow.
Inside here we are going to put on the fire. And then on the foil there, we got also some vegetables.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, inside here we got white flour. So we have to pour the white flour there, maybe until here. Just in case maybe we are going to make it so soft, then we add again. Okay, this is the white flour. We have salt here. We put salt. And you guys who are good bakers, you know how to measure the salt. This is for the yeast for the rice. Yeah, for the very good rice.
Johannes, how many rhino rangers are working here?
So we have 15 now.
15?
Yeah, 15 men.
For 18 rhinos, right?
Yes.
So basically every rhino has one ranger.
Yeah, almost like that because some of the men, the APU guys, they are in
Anti-poaching unit, yeah.
Yes, they are in the bush.
And what about lions at night?
So the lions, you mean when they meet them?
When they come here, you said, close to the camp. Does it happen?
So Lions, they are also good. Yeah. On the other side.
Yeah.
But once they came here, so we have to just behave also.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need to chase them out.
Yeah.
So whenever they came here, they just come and checking what they look like.
Yeah.
Then they go.
Yeah. And they come because of the smell, because we make this delicious bread
Exactly.
and sausage. Do you think they will like the vegetarian sausage that we have?
I don't think. I think they just come for the sausage because they are meat eater.
That's true. Going on a night safari now, checking the rhinos. It's Billy with the lamp. He will look at for animals, and Johannes will drive us.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I said previously that we are going to do night patrol. So if Billy spot any animals or if you see any movement, you are welcome to tell me so that I can stop, so that we can watch out what's that movement. Sometimes we can also drive along the fence just to check whether the fence got holes or any wire that's squeezed together, or sometimes the animal used to bump the fence. So that's the things which we can watch out when we are doing patrol. Okay.
Johannes, where are you from in Namibia? What city or what region?
So my hometown, it's where it's a north part of Namibia. It's where I'm come from.
What do you like most about Namibia? About your country?
So about my country, it's a beautiful country.
Yeah.
So I like traveling. That's also my hobbies. And to visit some of the places whereby, especially for the nature conservancy.
Yeah.
That's my hobby.
And if someone wants to come to visit Namibia, what do we see over there?
Oryx.
Oryx.
Yes. So oryx got also reflective eye.
Yeah.
So any kind of antelopes have it. The reflecting.
Now it's going away.
Yeah.
And if someone wants to come visit Namibia, what would you say is the most beautiful place people should come to?
So mostly I have to direct them that they must come to Nakusi.
Yeah.
So whereby here we used to, whereby you used to enjoy viewings.
Yeah.
Lot of animals here,
Mm-hmm.
and you get some of the experience here in our nature conservancy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Johannes, what is your most favorite part of your job? What do you like the most?
So my favorite part of my job, I just like to sightening animals.
Yeah.
So, and when I'm entertained with the visitors when they
Yeah.
come, so I like it so much.
Nice. And what do you think? What animals can we see tonight?
So probably I'm also trying to see rhinos
Yeah.
and a giraffe. That's only the thing which we're trying to see.
Yeah.
Maybe we have a hope that maybe we are going to see.
Did someone come for try to enter the park for some meat or anything? Does that happen?
Yes, because we received one guy or two, three guys there. They were trying to come and pose for meat.
Okay.
Yeah, because the kudu was hunted. The wild dog was hunted a kudu.
Yeah.
Once they kill kudu, then those guys they trying to grab the meat from the dogs. because they were wild dogs. They shoot wild dogs.
Oh, but did you
Yeah.
catch him?
So we just heard the gunshots.
Yeah.
Then after that, we tried to go to that side
Yeah.
where we heard the shot. Then we found them just trying to grab the meat.
Oh, so he was not successful. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, why do we try to conserve the rhinos? Why is it so important?
So rhinos,
Uh-huh.
it's an animal that's having a values
Yeah.
in the most of the world.
Mm.
So that's why we used to protect them
Yeah.
because of the poachers.
Yes.
Yeah. The only thing very important on the rhino is the horn.
Mm.
Yeah. And that horn it's caused many lives of the rhinos to be died because of that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I see you also have a gun here.
Yeah.
Is it to protect you from the animals or against poachers?
It's both of them. Firstly, I can say for the animals,
Yeah.
it's not to kill them,
Yes.
but I can even, for example, when I
Get attacked.
get attacked of rhinos or lions,
Yeah.
so I can able to shoot even two
Yeah.
in the air,
Yeah.
but not straight to the animals.
Yeah.
Just
But
to scare them.
Yeah.
Just to scare them. And for the peoples, like poachers,
Yeah.
we are not trained to go kill,
Yes.
but just to catch someone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That they cannot run away.
Yes.
And then you would give them to the police?
Yes. Of
Okay.
course.
So Max chopping some firewood for us after the game drive. It's an anti-poaching night game drive. We are here back at the camp.
Yeah. But it's not anything. This is Oman and Malawi. The big female here. Over here. And the baby Oman.
Right, 3 giraffes. Johannes, this is a family?
Yeah, it might be family because this is small babies and the other one is young one as well. These 3 ones.
Oh, so we met some lions here, whole family. Johannes, it's the mom and 3 kids?
Yeah. This is the mother.
Wow. Max, how does it feel?
Oh, amazing.
Wow. So Christine, how is your experience so far?
Really good. And far better than I